Okay, students, this is Dr. Pramod Lamisani. So today I am going to talk about the force lab table. So this is the force table. So we in the force table, what we do, we want to verify the addition of vectors. In this case, the forces are the vectors because the force has the magnitude and direction as well. So we have the 3 pulleys here. The strings are passing over the pulleys here. The first string is pulling with a force because we have the 50 grams of the mass hanging here. This mass has the weight. The weight will pull this ring towards this direction. That is the force number 1. Similarly, at 120 degrees, you can see here this 120 degrees, the force 2 is applied. The force 2 will be pulling this string in this direction with 100 grams of mass. The 100 gram of the mass has certain force. Like I show here, in this case you can see if the mass is 50 grams, we convert the 50 grams into kilograms, it is 0.05 kilograms. And then weight would be, force would be the weight 1, weight of means the weight force by the gravity. So mass 1 times the acceleration due to gravity. The mass 1 is 0.05 kilograms and then acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 9.81, that gives you 0.49 newtons. Similarly, for 100 grams you can have 0.1 kilograms, that gives you 0.98 newtons. So here you can see back in here on the force table. So this the string 1 will be pulling this thing with 0.49 newtons at 0 degree, and then string 2 will be pulling this with 0.98 newtons at 120 degrees. So our job is to find out the total force applied. To find out the total force, so we want to apply the force that applied backwards to counterbalance the total force of this F1 and F2. To find out the counterbalance force, we use the equivalent force here over here. In this case, this is the string 3. String 3 we applied, we keep adding the masses and then we move the direction a little bit, and then the best match here to balance this central ring is at 270 degrees with 85 grams. So now with this data, now you can analyze and you can add the 2 forces and then get the equivalent theoretically using the component method, and you can use the graphical method, and this is the experimental method. With all these 3 methods you can verify the law of vector addition. So I hope this demonstration will help you with the data. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.